Alright, engine reveal time. Got this LS and we got the old 283. So I'm going to pull the valve cover off this, see how clean it is inside. And we're going to pull the valve cover off the 283, see what it looks like. Hopefully they're good. Left the coils on it and everything. Oh man, this one's super duper clean. So I can pick. But anyway, this thing is super duper clean. Let me see if I can turn the. There we go. Look at that. That's how you want to see them right there. I got the tripod on the phone. It's kind of a pain, but yeah, that looks really good. Got a couple exhaust bolts broke off I gotta fix. I'm gonna pull the, get this up here. I'm gonna pull the oil pan off of it, check everything, and make sure the bottom end's good and not all, gross and nasty. In fact, I'm gonna sit this back on here. Got a cover to cover it up with. And then we've got, let's see what we got. We got that is the Uncle Bill 351 Windsor stroker. I've got all the parts for that. We'll be putting that together this weekend. I got that is a 351 Windsor. That's the crank out of it. That's one of my old race car engines. That is my dad's stroker engine for his Camaro. It's a, I think it's a 431. So we'll be putting that together this winter too. That's a really nice piece. We got a lot of good machine work done on that. So other than that, it's on to this beast, Jason's garage. Let's get to it. All right, what's up, y'all? We're out in the garage. Got the phone set up. I think I finally got that figured out and working right. And we are going to take, I want to take the carburetor off this thing, pull the distributor out, take a valve cover off, probably both of them, just to get a good look at everything. So let's do this. Crap. All right, the truth on this valve cover. Oh man, this engine is toast. This engine's been rode hard and put away wet. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's all coked up and caked up. Jeez Louise. Glad I didn't pay anything for this thing, because it is nasty. Alright, I'm gonna try and get this distributor out of here and see what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna even worry about messing with this engine. It might just be good for parts. Disgusting. Disgusting. That's a 9/16 or a half inch. Yeah, it's 9/16. How easy this comes out. Definitely saving this distributor though. It's an old single point. It's cast iron, so it'll outlive the ages. this is a cool hold down. Usually they're all one piece. Check that out. It's like a little springy dingy. Yeah, look at this thing. This engine's been short trip. Used some nasty oil in it, but this still works. Points are still even moving. That's a cool piece. Definitely gonna hang on to that. For the rest of this thing, yeah, I don't think we're gonna worry about even using this. I'll keep this trans, valve covers, exhaust manifolds. Probably take the intake off. Actually, no, I wasn't gonna use this intake because it's a front fill. Yeah, that sucks. But I think this is all good still. The shaft's kind of messed up where it looks like it fell at one time on the transmission. Fluid still smells good. Yeah, other than that, I don't want to put any time into something that's that nasty. So, thanks for watching. Get out there and fix something.